So in the similar way, you can use grab text. For example, let's see for the text, search for any text images. I'm searching it for our own example here. And if I click on edit, and there is a grab text option. So if I click on the grab text, so it will analyze the picture for the text, and let's see what it will happen. So it has, extracted the text from the image, and you can paste that anywhere you want. So it's actually very handy. If I just select more here, if you want to extract the text from here and don't want to show any text on the images, you can easily do that with the help of Magic Grab Text. So here, if we click on this, and you can see grab text, and you don't want to, use any text out there, then you can just simply grab that and paste that here. So there you can see, you can grab text here from the image just like that, and your image will be without text. So that's how handy it is. So let's take another example. I don't want any text on my image here or on the flowers which I love. Okay, clicking on the edit photo, and now click on the grab text. So it will delete the text from the image, and your image will be as new as original. So wait for it. Your text has been extracted here. So there you go. So now let's take one more example. Okay, now what if it's your image and you want only your image, not your text in the pic? So how you can do that? You can click edit photo and grab text. So it will be able to grab the text or delete the text from the image. Just watch the magic here. So the text has been deleted. So you can easily, just separate that, and you have image with yourself. That's how you can easily use grab text